Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Upsquare, a tool that claims to build a code-free mobile app and boost customer retention. Upsquare is a no-code solution for converting your online shop or blog into a branded mobile app with built-in analytics. The deal is pretty easy to understand, and I'm going to do an overview of the tool since I don't have a WooCommerce website by now, but I plan to create. And you will easily understand the difference between the current Upsquare and the past deals, Mob Roller, and also Andromo. So Upsquare, it's a tool to build an app pretty fast, taking data from your blog and also from your WooCommerce website. So the process to create the app is really simple and you can do it pretty fast. You can see here that the tool is multi-language. I can see 5 languages here, but they say that we have more language. And the difference here is the number of apps. If you get license tier 1, you get 6 apps, 3 shops, 3 blogs. License 2, 10 shops, 10 blogs. License 3 shops, 30 blog. So 60 because you will count both kind of apps. So it's not 3 shops or 3 blogs. No, it's 3 shops plus 3 blogs. Okay, and you will get all shopper shop app plan and pro blog app plan updates. So you are mapped on those plans. I'm gonna show you how the tool works and you will see that's pretty simple. Here you can see the dashboard, and just cleaning the last app, you can see that it's pretty clean. You have 2 options here, one to create the shop app and the other to create the blog. Here on the settings, you can see that you can change email, password, and also you can toggle between light mode and dark mode. I'm using the dark mode. I think it's better. And first here, you can create a shop app. So they will connect to WooCommerce or Shopify, and this will transform your WooCommerce website, for instance, in a whole app just automatically, and you will be ready to go. So how you connect here, just app name, shop URL, and then you will keep going, setting up API keys, payment gateways, WooCommerce plugin, banner plugin, and finish. But I don't have a WooCommerce website, and I'm going to show you how it works on a blog. So that review, for the sake of that review, we are creating a blog app. As you can see here, they are 2 different instances. We are going here for the blog, and then you can choose to connect to Ghost or to connect to WordPress. Clicking here on WordPress, and you're gonna add your app name and also the link of your websites. You can see how easy it is. Here you can see the website is connected, then you click on next. What is that Upsquare banner plugin? This is pretty cool. You will install a plugin on your WordPress website, and then when the user go to your website while using their mobile phone, they will see that banner here and they can click on the button install to just install the app, and then they don't need to go to your website anymore. They can just follow your website and your guidelines through the app. So when you install the mobile app, the banner, you will increase up to 40% of installations of your mobile app. So I do recommend you to install that Upsquare banner plugin because it will raise your conversions. And then you click on next and then create app. It's simple like that. Your app is created and now you will only design it. Pretty simple, pretty easy to go. And then here your app is created. You can select between team 1, 2, and 3. The 2 and 3 is available only on the pro plans, the ones that you're gonna get. So you're gonna get all the teams. But I think the first one is the best one, the one that is free. So that's the home, and you can see how your app is working. Here's the feed. So you can see how your feed will look like. And then you can change here the columns to create like two columns or one column. You can just customize the way you want. Same for single article. You can see how it will look like on your app. And then here you have some kind of customizations. You can change the color to just be like your branding. You can select to display author name or not, and metadata or not, section title. You can just change here color, some aspects of the background, and that's it. To show read time, 5 minutes, comments, okay? You can see the tags here. Here on appearance, you can change all those colors, the card color, the icon, favorite icon color, top toolbar. You will be able to change all the color to customize to your branding. Here you can change the typography. Those are the typographies that they have. For instance, if you want to use Roboto, just click here. It will change the typography, and you can change the icons for each field of your app: the home, feed, favorites, history, search, and user settings. And that's it. As you can see, the app is ready to work like that. Here's a blog post. You can just keep browsing, and all your website will be automatically inside the app. It's an app about your website, and when you update your website, it will automatically update the app. You can see that even the summary, they get it. So I had a summary on my website, and here they get the summary. On plugin, you can install Google Analytics and that WordPress Smart banner, so people will to increase your conversion, because people will just see the banner, and they can install the app while they're browsing your website on mob. Here you can add the icons. So you're gonna add your web iOS icon, Android icon, and notification icon. You can change also the background color of the icon, etc. On ads, of course, I don't have a pro plan here. You can use AdMob. They have integration with AdMob, so if people just log in on your app to see the content, they can do it, and you can add the AdMob, and you will earn money with the ads. And those are the features. Then you set up payment and you publish your website. It's pretty simple. It's only an overview here because I don't have all the features to show them to you. And what you need just remember here is that you have two kind of apps, and they will be created automatically, and then you can customize it to fit your brand. And then you just publish it. The support says that they will give you the info, and then it will be easy for you to publish it on iOS and Android. I hope you liked that overview. Thank you so much. Bye bye.